Welcome to this fourth and final video on using the DiG simulation. I'm now going to concentrate on the Actions section in the upper left panel of the DiG screen. Note that we are now at December 31st, 2023 with team DFM006. This team has already completed years 2021 to 2023, 3 years of the simulation, and has to make decisions for the final 2 years, 2024 and 2025. The Action panel provides you with itemized options to perform decisions for each of the 5 years. It contains 6 types of actions laid out as follows from top to bottom. Discovery of customer insights, testing of the discovered insights, offer enhancement based on tested insights, booster design also based on tested insights, price changes, and deployment of resources amongst the various execution activities, namely mass communication, interactive communication, and access, or sales and distribution. I will now review each of these actions in a little more detail. Click on Discover to open a window that enables you to launch a discovery initiative defined in terms of 3 main variables. First, target. Enables you to select a population group to be investigated for insights, among the 6 that you already saw under the customer impact chart in the main dashboard. So, for instance, let's select unaware. Second, intensity. Enables you to choose the depth of your discovery initiative, ranging from minimum to average to high. For instance, if these were interviews, the level of intensity could indicate the length of these interviews. Let's select average. Third, scope, which enables you to choose the degree of breadth of your initiative, ranging from core to wide and open. As an indication, core could mean investigating insights in the use of the Magic Pen as a writing instrument. Wide could involve going beyond and considering the Magic Pen as an office aid. Open could allow any possible insights for the Magic Pen. Let's, for example, select wide. Notice that the cost highlighted in gray changes as I change any combination of target, intensity, and scope. For instance, if I change intensity from average to high, or if I change scope from wide to open. The section on investment in discovery shows you the investment in discovery this year compared to last year and your available budget. The Insights Pipeline tab enables you to see the cumulative discovery initiatives, the insights that have been tested, and the tested insights that have been designed. This option was covered in more detail in the DiG information section and is also available here for ease of reference. So click on Confirm to complete this discovery initiative. If your discovery initiative has been successful, you will see a message explaining the insight you have discovered, along with its code, ST016, its type, booster or offer, in this case it's an offer, the estimated business potential from minor to major, in this case it's minor, and the testing cost of 6. Click on Return, and this will then bring you back to the window where you can launch a new discovery initiative. To end your discovery initiatives, click on the Close tab at the top right-hand corner of the window. Next, you can click on the Test tab to test the insights previously discovered. A window opens that depicts a listing of all insights discovered and not yet tested. Note that you can test only one insight at a time. Note also that you can sort the table in different ways by clicking on the heading of any column. For instance, if you select the arrows beside testing cost, you can sort the insights on this dimension in ascending or descending order. Table also contains the investment in testing this year compared to last year and available budget left. You can also select the View Insights pipeline, as I was able to in the prior section. So let's select an insight to improve the Magic Pen offer. Notice the description of the insight you selected at the bottom of the window. If you want to test this insight, click on Confirm. A window opens explaining the results of the testing. If it is successful, you will receive the following information, aside from the explanation of the improvement. Estimated business potential, high. Impact on customer value, 10. Impact on unit cost, 1.9. Design cost, 32. This is the number of units you will have to spend out of your budget if you want to implement this insight into the Magic Pen. Click on Return, and the original testing window will appear, listing the remaining insights that have been discovered and not yet tested. Let's now select an insight concerning a booster and click on Confirm. Notice that the window which opens contains the estimated business potential, low, and the design cost, 12. Note that it doesn't contain an impact on customer value or unit cost, as for the previous insight, as a booster has no impact on the manufacturing of the offer. Click on Return, and the original testing window will appear, listing the remaining insights that have been discovered and not yet tested. To continue, you can repeat this testing process for more insights, or click on the Close tab on the top right-hand corner of the window. Select the next Action tab labeled Offer to bring enhancements to the Magic Pen. A window opens with a list of tested insights that bring potential improvements to the Magic Pen. You can here also sort this table by clicking on the heading of any column. For instance, we can sort by customer value impact in ascending or descending order. The table also contains the investment in design this year compared to last year and the available budget left. I can also select the View Insights Pipeline tab, as in the Discovery and Testing sections prior. Let's select Insight BM601. You will notice the description of the insight you wish to test at the bottom of the window. Click on Confirm. If the design is successfully implemented, you will see a window describing the insight used along with the estimated business potential, major, the impact on customer value, 13, the impact on unit cost, 2.2. Note that from this point, the Magic Pen includes the features corresponding to this insight. Further enhancements can be brought, but those that have been implemented cannot be withdrawn. Click on Return, and the original Offer Design window will appear, listing the remaining insights for you to select from. To continue, you can repeat the design process for more insights, or click on the Close tab at the top right-hand corner of the window. The next section concerns the design of boosters and follows the exact same process as we have just shown you for the offer. Now, let's move to the next section on price. As you can see, this window gives a reminder of the values of WTP, willingness to pay, price, and unit cost for the previous year. It also shows the new values of WTP and unit cost resulting from the enhancements we have brought to the offer. Taking these changes into account, we can adjust the price according to our market strategy. Let's assume we just want to protect our margin. We have, therefore, in this case, to increase the price to 24. The item at the bottom, Deploy, will enable us to allocate the remaining budget. The window that opens provides a reminder of the allocation of resources last year. Note that it also shows you how much has already been spent of this year's budget on the discovery, the testing, and design actions already implemented. You now have to decide on how you want to allocate the remaining budget between three remaining items: access, mass communication, and interactive communication. The window already contains some default entries for these actions, but you can either confirm them or change them. Let's make these decisions. 300 for access, 400 for MCOM, and the remainder for ICOM. Confirm, accepts your changes, and exits you from the window. Note that as long as you haven't moved into the following year, you can launch more discovery initiatives, test insights, and design offer enhancements and boosters. You can also go back and change the pricing and deployment decisions. When you're satisfied with your decisions for this 2024 year, you can click on the Go to 2024 button below the Actions panel. A window opens to give you a last chance to change your decisions. If you confirm that you want to continue, the year 2024 will be simulated based on your decisions. You first receive a letter from the chairman, Jim Shovel, providing his personal comments on your performance. The detailed outcome of your decisions can be seen in the dashboard and the information section. You can see here that your earnings for 2024 are $790 million, representing a growth of approximately 65% over the previous year. You will have completed your assignment as the head of Innovinc after having simulated the year 2025. Do not forget that your ultimate objective is to maximize the earnings in 2025. You have now had the opportunity to master the key aspects of the DiG simulation in 4 parts: the overview, the DiG dashboard, the informatics section, and the DiG actions in this last video. You are now ready to embark on your DiG adventure. Best wishes for an enjoyable and fruitful learning experience.